Once upon a time, in a faraway kingdom, there was a magical red dress that belonged to a beautiful princess named Isabella. This dress was unlike any other, for it was woven from the threads of a rare enchanted fabric known as crimson silk. Legend had it that the dress had been passed down through generations in the royal family. The crimson silk possessed the power to grant the wearer a single wish, but only if that wish was made from the heart with pure intentions. Princess Isabella, known for her kindness and compassion, had kept the dress in her wardrobe for years, waiting for the right moment to use its magic. She had seen the suffering of her people and longed to make their lives better. One day, a terrible drought plagued the kingdom, and the crops withered, leaving the people hungry and desperate. Princess Isabella decided it was time to use the dress's magic for the good of her kingdom. She donned the radiant red dress and stood before the people in the town square. With tears in her eyes, she made her wish. "I wish for the rain to fall and nourish our lands, bringing an end to this drought." As soon as she uttered those words, the sky darkened, and rain began to pour, quenching the thirst of the parched earth. The people rejoiced, and Princess Isabella's selfless wish brought prosperity and happiness back to the kingdom. The magical red dress of Princess Isabella became a symbol of hope and compassion, and it remained a cherished heirloom for generations to come, a reminder of the power of kindness and the magic of a pure heart.